Upgrading your home is about more than looks, it's about making smart choices that pay off. For homeowners in Knoxville, one of the most impactful upgrades you can make is installing new patio doors. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to build long-term value, modern patio doors can significantly increase your home's appeal, functionality, and resale price. First impressions matter. Patio doors are often a focal point of the home, especially in living rooms, kitchens, and sunrooms. Old, worn, or outdated doors can instantly make a space feel tired. New patio doors, on the other hand, create a clean, modern look that buyers notice right away. In Knoxville's competitive housing market, that strong first impression can set your home apart from others in the same price range. Sleek frames, larger glass panels, and contemporary designs help make interiors feel brighter and more spacious. Natural light is a major selling point, and upgraded patio doors maximize it while still maintaining comfort and privacy. Better indoor-outdoor living. Knoxville homeowners value outdoor living, thanks to the area's mild seasons and scenic surroundings. New patio doors improve the connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, making decks, patios, and backyards feel like true extensions of the home. Sliding and French patio doors offer wider openings and smoother operation than older models. This makes entertaining easier and everyday living more enjoyable. Buyers are drawn to homes that feel open, flexible, and designed for both relaxation and gatherings, features that directly boost perceived value. Energy efficiency adds real value. Energy efficiency is no longer a bonus, it's an expectation. Older patio doors often allow drafts, heat transfer, and moisture intrusion, leading to higher energy bills. Modern patio doors are designed with insulated glass, improved seals, and advanced framing materials that help regulate indoor temperatures. In Knoxville's climate, where summers can be warm and winters occasionally chilly, energy-efficient patio doors help keep heating and cooling costs under control. Buyers appreciate upgrades that reduce ongoing expenses, making your home more attractive and easier to justify at a higher asking price. Increased security and peace of mind. Homebuyers are increasingly focused on safety, and new patio doors deliver meaningful improvements in this area. Modern locking systems, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant glass options provide stronger protection than older doors. This added security is especially appealing to families and long-term homeowners. Even if buyers don't consciously analyze the hardware, they feel more confident knowing the home has been updated with today's safety standards in mind. That confidence translates into higher perceived value. Low maintenance, high appeal. Many older patio doors require frequent upkeep, repainting, fixing rollers, or dealing with warped frames. New patio doors are built with durable, low-maintenance materials that resist weathering and wear. For buyers, this means fewer projects after moving in and less money spent on repairs. A home that feels move-in ready is far more appealing and often sells faster and for more money than one with visible maintenance concerns. A smart investment for Knoxville homes. Replacing patio doors offers a rare combination of immediate enjoyment and long-term financial benefit. Homeowners get to enjoy improved comfort, style, and functionality right away, while also increasing the home's resale potential. In Knoxville, where buyers appreciate energy efficiency, outdoor living, and modern upgrades, new patio doors can deliver a strong return on investment. It's a practical improvement that enhances everyday living while making your home more competitive and valuable in the market. If you're looking for an upgrade that truly makes a difference, new patio doors are a smart, customer-focused choice that pays off now and in the future.